Welcome. Today, you'll learn the easiest way to bookmark a page in Google Chrome, updated for 2025. Bookmarks let you save your favorite websites for quick access, so you never have to search for them again. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop, or searching for Chrome in your apps. Once Chrome is open, head to the web page you want to save. This could be anything: a news article, your favorite blog, or a site you visit every day. Now, look to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Tap on these 3 dots to open the menu. This menu gives you access to many Chrome features, but for now, let's focus on bookmarking. In the menu, look for the star icon. It's usually near the top, or labeled as Bookmark. Tap the star. Instantly, Chrome will let you know that the page has been bookmarked. You can give your bookmark a custom name if you want, or just leave it as is. If you'd like, you can also choose a folder to organize your bookmarks. But if you're just getting started, saving it to the default folder is perfectly fine. Once you're happy with the name and location, tap Done. That's it. You've successfully bookmarked a page in Google Chrome. The next time you want to visit this site, just open your bookmarks from the menu, and you'll find your saved page ready to go. Remember, bookmarking is a simple but powerful way to keep your most important websites just a click away. Try it out with a few of your favorite pages and see how much time you save. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.